Imagine standing on a distant planet, gazing up at the night sky where two colossal galaxies are on a collision course. The Milky Way and Andromeda, two majestic spirals, have been destined to meet for billions of years. But what if I told you that recent research is challenging this long-held belief? For decades, we've been captivated by the idea of a cosmic showdown. The prevailing narrative suggested that in about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda would collide with our galaxy, merging into a new, larger galaxy often dubbed Milkomeda. However, recent findings from missions like Hubble and Gaia are reshaping this narrative, revealing a more complex and nuanced picture of our galactic neighborhood. Let's dive into the historical perspective first. When astronomers first observed Andromeda, they believed it was a nebula within our own galaxy. It wasn't until the early 20th century that Edwin Hubble confirmed it as a separate galaxy, forever altering our understanding of the universe. This revelation set the stage for the idea of galactic collisions as we began to grasp the vastness of space and the dynamics of these massive structures. Fast forward to today, and we have a wealth of data from advanced telescopes and space missions. Hubble's observations have provided detailed measurements of Andromeda's velocity and trajectory. Initially, it appeared that Andromeda was barreling toward us at a staggering speed of about 110 kilometers per second. This led many to conclude that a collision was inevitable. But here's where it gets interesting. Recent data from the Gaia mission has given us a clearer picture of Andromeda's movement. It turns out that Andromeda is not just heading straight for us, it's also influenced by the gravitational pull of other galaxies in our local group. This means that the interaction between our galaxies may not be as straightforward as we once thought. In fact, some models suggest that Andromeda could swing past the Milky Way instead of crashing into it, leading to a close encounter rather than a full-blown collision. This revelation has profound implications for our understanding of galactic dynamics. It challenges the notion that galaxies are simply on a collision course with one another. Instead, we're learning that their interactions are more like a cosmic dance, influenced by gravity and the vast web of dark matter that permeates the universe. As we continue to gather data, we're beginning to see that the fate of our cosmic neighborhood is not set in stone. The future interactions between the Milky Way and Andromeda could lead to a series of gravitational encounters, reshaping both galaxies over millions of years without a catastrophic collision. So, what does this mean for us? While we may not witness the grand merging of galaxies, the ongoing research opens up new avenues of understanding about our place in the universe. It reminds us that the cosmos is full of surprises, and our knowledge is always evolving. The story of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a testament to the complexity of the universe, where even the most established narratives can be rewritten with new discoveries. As we look to the stars, we're not just observing distant objects, we're unraveling the intricate tapestry of cosmic history and the dynamic forces that shape our universe. The future of our galactic neighborhood is still being written, and who knows what other revelations await us in the vastness of space?